if there's a crisis at bagsak ang market, ano gagawin ng mga mahihirap? Especially people who are emotional. Of course, they will save money. They will delay decisions. They will make poor judgment and decisions because all they want is to save, avoid losing, makaiwas. So every decision is aligned with fear. Or maybe mabilis magpa-hype, mabilis magpa-auto, laging nagmamadali. Kasi nga, there's a crisis, there's urgency, there's desperation, which will lead to wrong decisions. Kasi nga, ang gusto, mabilis ang pera. But the wealthy people, tayong mga payaman, we understand that in every crisis, there's always an opportunity. So habang bagsak ang market, it's time for us to invest in ourselves. Invest in anything. Kasi nga, ang opportunity during bagsak ang market, it's time to buy or purchase.